Have you ever dreamt of visiting the City of Angels? It is a city where dreams are made by the most famous stars from the past and present. A home to the Hollywood stars and the largest film industry in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, behold Los Angeles, California. Hey there, if you are new here, welcome to our channel. We focus on traveling around the top beaches and ocean destinations around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below to show your support for our channel. Los Angeles is one of the most famous cities in the United States. It is home to 4 million locals, and the city is big enough to hold the entire city of Chicago twice. What a comparison. In Spanish, Los Angeles means the angels. That's where the City of the Angels comes from. If it's your first time visiting Los Angeles and you're at a loss and don't know where to start your journey, we'll help you out. Here are the top destinations that you should go to when visiting Los Angeles. The city is very big, so always give yourself plenty of time to avoid exhaustion. Griffith Park and Observatory. Do you wonder about the cosmos outside of our home planet? How about wild animals? A visit to the Griffith Park and Observatory will answer all your questions. Griffith Park is most popular for its appearance in multiple films. The few famous films are Terminator from 1984, Back to the Future from 1985, and The Prestige, which was released in 2006. The Griffith Park and Observatory is located at Mount Hollywood. It is a 67,000 square foot building filled with exciting exhibits. This tourist destination accounts for more than 1.5 million visitors annually. 1.5 million individuals longing to go to Griffith to see the Hollywood sign has been checked off the bucket list. At the Griffith Observatory, you can expand your view of the entire sky. A public telescope is available nearby, and it is free of charge. If you are with your family, you'll want to enjoy everything the observatory has to offer. Be sure to check out a live presentation at the Samuel Oschin Planetarium, which takes about 35 minutes. By visiting and viewing the exhibits available for observation, you will be exposed to a wide diversity of astronomers' studies and explorations. Venice Beach. If you're looking for a place to burn some calories, walking on the Venice Beach boardwalk should do the trick. But this is not any ordinary beach. The length is almost 4 miles and is estimated to be about 8,000 steps to walk from start to finish. Popular for its active lifestyle exhibits by the beach, also known as Southern California's Playground by the Sea. Situated in Santa Monica, drop by and explore this popular stretch of Venice Beach. It is filled with restaurants, street vendors, street performers, skate parks, and well-known Muscle Beach outdoor gyms. In addition to a fun-filled walk, there are plenty of recreational activities like the kids in the skate park doing tricks, health-conscious individuals lifting weights in the outdoor gym, and more. If you lift weights and you are a health buff as well, then you should try and experience the outdoor gym. The gym locals will help you out to give it your all while bench pressing. A day pass to the Muscle Beach outdoor gym should only cost about $10, and it's totally worth it. You can even go to the soft and golden sand of Venice Beach to sunbathe if you are yearning for that sweet tan skin. A stay of at least 2 to 3 hours should be sufficient. Santa Monica Pier. After walking down the stretch of Venice Beach, a few more minutes of walking to the north and you'll arrive at the most popular Santa Monica Pier. Known for its wonderful Ferris wheel, the merry-go-round, the roller coaster, and a few other rides, Pacific Park has been here since 1996, almost 3 decades old. But it's still going strong and still provides fun to children and adults alike. Feeling hungry after going on the rides? You'll be delighted to see that there are a few restaurants close by that you can choose from. There are also food stands nearby at the Santa Monica Pier fishing platform. A visit in the afternoon should be enough to cover all the time needed for these activities. Once you are done with everything that the Santa Monica Pier has to offer, it's time to get your camera ready for that spectacular view of a famous Southern California sunset. Rodeo Drive. Want to buy high-end designer clothes and attire? Or just want to window shop and explore the streets of Los Angeles? If you are a gamer and have played Grand Theft Auto 5, it is known for its neat-looking high palm trees in the middle of the street. I think you know this place. The street is called Rodeo Drive. It is home to the most expensive high-end designer clothes and boutique shops, where spotting luxury cars, supercars, and celebrities is common. Rodeo Drive is considered to be the most distinguished street in the heart of Beverly Hills in Los Angeles. Universal Studios Hollywood. To visit one of the most renowned theme parks in the United States is a dream come true. This is the Universal Studios Hollywood. It's a popular weekend attraction here in Los Angeles. Over 9 million tourists visit the theme park annually, based on a 2018 to 2018 report. That's like 24 to 25,000 visitors a day. Jam-packed indeed, but it's understandable due to its quality attraction experience. Here, you will experience what it's like to be in the world of Harry Potter from the perspective of the wizards. Do you have the guts to ride on the boat and visit the world of dinosaurs in Jurassic World? What about the mind-boggling stunts of Fast and Furious? If you brought the kids, a visit to the world of Minions would be a great idea as well. Other immersive rides like The Simpsons and Transformers are also worth mentioning as well. Gift shops and the like are available inside Universal Studios Hollywood. If you're feeling hungry, plenty of restaurants can also be found inside. So don't wait. Plan to visit the renowned Universal Studios Hollywood to add to an enjoyable stay. The Hollywood Walk of Fame. This destination is filled with names of famous celebrities, and there are over 2,500 names written on the tiles of Hollywood Boulevard in Vine Street in Los Angeles. This is called the Hollywood Walk of Fame. It is free and open to the public. Here you can enjoy finding the name of your favorite celebrity in Hollywood. You won't even notice that you walk over a mile just to find that celebrity. According to reports, the Hollywood Walk of Fame has over 10 million visitors annually. You guessed that right. It's a pretty big number. Walt Disney Concert Hall. The concert hall was built to honor Walt Disney's loyalty to the arts and to the city of Los Angeles. The beauty of the Acoustics Concert Hall is one of the most sophisticated concert halls ever built in the entire world. Over 300,000 tourists visit the concert hall annually to attend concerts here. You can begin your Walt Disney Concert Hall tour by going to the grand lobby and waiting for someone to assist you. The tour lasts exactly 1 hour, and if you're planning a complimentary tour in the concert hall, make sure to visit before the afternoon, as 2 p.m. is their last tour every day. Disneyland Park. One of the most popular theme parks ever created is Disneyland. Known for its wide and colossal castle, a visit to the Disneyland Park is a fantasy fulfillment for both children and adults. The theme park features famous cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Minnie Mouse, and Pluto. Don't forget about the famous Marvel Universe and Star Wars Universe. From the Avengers to the Guardians of the Galaxy, the famed Millennium Falcon, and the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. A day visit is not enough to cover the entire theme park, not unless you're just in for a quick visit. It is recommended to stay for a total of 3 to 4 days to get what Disneyland Park has to offer. Los Angeles County Museum of Art. Los Angeles County Museum of Art is the biggest art museum in the western part of the United States, which was built and established in 1961. Home to over 150,000 items from around the world, and is displayed as exhibits spanning ancient histories. It is situated on Wilshire Boulevard, which is a few minutes' drive from most hotels. It is worth taking note that Los Angeles residents have free access if they are between 3 and 17 years old. If you are not an LA resident, then normal rates will apply. A visit to the Los Angeles County Museum of Arts will enhance your knowledge about the ancient history of the world. Prepare your camera to take pictures of objects or history that interests you. Just a friendly reminder, no flash, no tripods, or selfie sticks. The Broad. Just across the street after you visit the Walt Disney Concert Hall is another picturesque architectural building waiting for you to come visit. Don't worry, the admission is free. This is The Broad, a modern museum that holds modern art exhibits and is home to almost 2,000 artworks. The building is 3 stories high. Its first and second floors have all the art exhibits, and the last floor consists of a column-free gallery. For contemporary art lovers, it will take you at least 2 hours to roam around the Broad. Huntington Library. Are you a nature lover? If so, then you are in the right spot. Huntington Library is well known for its vast variety of activities. It is filled with art galleries, Chinese and Japanese botanical gardens, and a research library that is filled with more than 400,000 books that are more than 1,000 years old. If you want something peaceful and quiet on your itinerary, this should be the place you should go to. A couple hours of relaxing and contemplating on how beautiful the place is a great objective of the day. Downtown. Is downtown Los Angeles worth visiting? Yes. As you know, the Broad Museum and Walt Disney Concert Hall have been mentioned already. Here are the other places you can go to in downtown LA. Chinatown. A little change to your taste in food and shopping. Chinatown is known for its mouth-watering food from dumplings, Chinese noodles, and steamed stuffed buns. Little Tokyo. Just like Chinatown, Little Tokyo is home to a wide variety of restaurants that serve traditional Japanese food like sushi and ramen. If you have not tried to eat sushi in a conveyor belt restaurant, now is the time to go there and explore. Art District. The Art District is a place where almost every wall is painted with murals. If you're interested in seeing how talented LA locals are, then it would be worth taking a visit. There are a handful of restaurants in the corner if you are feeling hungry. The Grove. Known for its dining and shopping experience, it is a destination for tourists who want to feel the luxurious vibe. The wonderful dancing fountain is so cool to watch while eating at your restaurant of choice. If you want something that you will not only see, but experience, the Grove should leave a special place in your heart. Los Angeles is a very large city. I would say a 7-day visit is recommended if you want to visit all the best destinations that we have mentioned. But if you're going to visit the Universal Studios and Disneyland parks, you might want to stay a little longer to experience everything these theme parks have to offer. To have the best experience in Los Angeles, it is ideal to visit during the months from March to May, and then from September to November. This will give you enough space and avoid crowded tourist destinations. Weather and climate should not be a problem during these months. Only November to March has high chances of rainfall. Temperatures hover between 50 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 11 degrees to 29 degrees Celsius, all throughout the year. If you found this video helpful, then please be sure to hit the like button. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button below and click on notifications to notify you when a new video has been uploaded. For more traveling tips, please visit our website, yourposeidonadventure.com. Thank you guys, and I will see you again in the next one.